Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining us today. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe because I see a lot of people watching the videos, but you guys maybe you've not seen the subscribe button or forgotten to subscribe. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. So today's video is going to be about transferring fish from one tank to the other. So as you see over here, that's my female guppy which I have. Her stomach is completely fluffed up and she's become quite aggressive because she wants to give birth, and usually these guppies, when there are other people around, they're not very comfortable doing that. Right now I have around 6 corridoras in this tank. I have 2 female bettas. Also this female betta right over here, she's the one who gave birth recently. She's become a new mama. And we have one male guppy, and that's the only female guppy that's left right now in this tank. So in this tank over here now, as you see, there's a school of small guppy fries. So they are 3 weeks old now, guys, and I think they are quite big enough, and it should be fine for them to survive in the larger tank. So they should do fine. And 3 weeks I think was good enough. Now it's time to go for them, to leave their primary school, the shelter of this place, and probably go to college over here with the big guys. So we will transfer these guppies from this tank. There are around 11 of them, I believe. So we will transfer all of them into the larger tank. Only concern here is I'm hoping that the other fish will not chase them or try to bite them or fin nip them or probably swallow them whole. So hopefully these guys will turn out to be survivors and will do good with the big boys. So we go ahead now, and meanwhile I will separate this female. We will take her out completely, keep her in one small bowl somewhere, and then we will transfer these small guys over here. Once all these guys are out, then we will put the female over here. So let us just start transferring the fish. She's hiding behind the filter. We are going to gently try to take out because we don't want to stress her out since she's already having babies and she's pregnant. Finally, we've been able to get her out of the tank, and we are transferring her to this small bowl over here. So this is just temporary, maybe only for 5 minutes. Once we have all the babies out of this tank, then we'll put her in here. So guys, this tank has basically been the pregnancy tank for all the pregnant fishes that we've had. So there's been 2 guppies before who have given birth over here, and as you can see, there's one yellow, there's a black. So both of them are from different mothers. So all of them, this is their primary school. This is where they all start, and they grow up to 3 weeks, 4 weeks. And once they're grown, now that's going to be their college over there, and we're going to transfer them over there with the other fish. Hopefully they'll be doing well over there as well. They've been doing well. So also one of the reason why this is a pregnancy tank, guys, if you see, there's a lot of moss I had put over here, and the moss has grown well. So it gives a lot of hiding space for these fishes when they are born. They fall from the mother's pouch, so they directly go inside and they hide over there. So it gives them protection, so the mother can't harm them. And secondly, we have shrimp in this tank. So shrimp anyways don't harm fish. They are very safe for any kind of fish, even baby fish, baby fries, newborn fries. So they can safely stay with them over there. Hopefully now, we'll finish transferring all the small fish as well in the other tank, and then we will put the pregnant guppy back in this tank. These guys are quite feisty. They're quite fast, and it's going to be more difficult catching these guys compared to the pregnant guppy.
One eternity later.
Finally, we have one in the net. We transfer that baby over here. So that's our first baby in the tank. Hopefully nobody is seeing her and nobody's going to go after this female bettas. They don't harm her. So she looks okay. I think she should be doing fine, and once all of them are there, they'll all group up together. So once all of them are in, we'll get back to you guys. Here is a short clip, guys, from around a month ago when the same guppy was giving babies, and we fortunately had the chance to watch it live happen in front of us, and we managed to capture a few times while she gave birth. Forgive us because the video is not so clear, and since the bowl tank or the cylindrical shaped tank that we have, it's not easy to capture the video in this, but you should be able to see it giving birth around 2 to 3 times, so as much as possible. The last one I have put it a little bit in slow-mo, so you can watch that carefully, and hopefully you will enjoy it and see how they give birth and learn more about it. So we are done transferring all our fish, and as you can see, the whole school of these guppy babies, they are all here in the tank. And I think maybe the flow from this filter is a little high for them because they've been used to this filter where there has been no flow at all. I'd kept it at very minimal so that they can be in a calm environment. But I don't think it should bother them much. In fact, it will make them better swimmers, I believe, is what will happen. And they're all here, they're doing well. I don't see anyone chasing except my female betta. Sometimes bettas can be very territorial as well, so she may go after them a little bit here and there, but she's fine. She'll just chase them away from her area, and she just wants her own space. These guys, they're always active, and they just want to roam around the tank everywhere. They'll scavenge for food all around the place. Cute little guys. And female, she's here, and I think she'll take some time to adjust. So usually they will go around the entire tank, and then they will take a look around the tank if there is anybody else that can probably harm their babies or things like that. Maybe 2-3 days she'll settle down in this tank. Once she's settled down, I think she will be ready to give birth. I think it's been just 3 weeks when she gave birth before, and this is the second time she's giving birth in the same tank over here, guys. And the shrimp are there, they are all happy. They don't care who comes, who goes. There is their home, they're always here. So they're grazing on all the stuff they can find to eat. So we'll give her time now, probably 2-3 days. I think another maximum 5 days she should be ready because stomach is quite bulged out. And last time she gave a few babies, I think around 8 or 9. This time I think the number will be higher. It's said that as they keep reproducing and as they keep giving babies, the number keeps getting higher. And guppies have been known to even give babies around 150 babies at once, and they give live babies. So imagine how many hours that will be just watching the babies coming out one after the other. So hope you guys enjoy this small video about what we are doing currently in our tanks and what's going on over here with our fishes. And we'll come up with you guys with some more videos, more interesting videos about what we do, how we take care of our fish, and how we breed guppies or any other fish. We will definitely let you know. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and do share it with your friends and turn on the bell notification so you can get notified for the upcoming videos. Thank you.